You know, sometimes I hear from National Council members that they feel a little intimidated going up to a member of Congress or going to a meeting. So what would be some easy steps to get yourself ready for a meeting with a member of Congress or a staffer?
Well, I'd start the process early. To get to know your congressman actually is very simple, and there's a lot of ground that's open there to get to know them. It's a process that I think begins with your board of directors and your agency in establishing a policy for the agency, a strategy for advocacy, and one of those is establishing that meaningful relationship. So one of the first things we do at our agency is we find out, we do our research. We find out what party the congressperson's at, what positions they support, what they don't support. And then we actually go and help. We find somebody who's really interested. It could be a board member, it could be myself. It's important to be yourself at all times. So you don't want to go acting like you're supporting somebody that might be the opposite party from you. But you could find a board member that's the same party as your congressperson, or again, it could be you or a staff member, and somebody who loves politics, and get in there early. The first thing you want to do is not go ask them for something. I think you should go and help them. They might be doing a fundraiser, they might be doing a town hall meeting. You go and show your support, and you begin by getting to know the staff, and then you are introduced to the congressperson, and then you start the relationship that way. If you don't have anybody that likes to do politics, or you don't know anybody who supports it, there's some websites you can go to. It's very interesting. You can go to fec.gov, the Federal Election Commission, and they can show you who all the donors are. You find the donors in your district, and there's a number of them, and maybe one of those would make a good board member, and then they bring the relationship with them to the board.